How much farther back? About
Oh, I'd say at least half.
half. That's a lot of pumpkin.
Yeah.
You filming this or just pictures?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Making an eyeball pumpkin. Couldn't find a white pumpkin small enough, so we have to paint an orange one. So here we go. Here we go for coat 2 for the white part, so that it'll be really white. And a third coat of white, just for good measure. Time for the iris.
Since I'm already further out than that.
What are we supposed to be here?
Yeah.
Well, this is round.
Wait, no, that's not a mark. This is the right mark. That one's just paint chipped.
Because this is pretty much centered in here.
That works.
I'm at the bottom of the blue, I think. Why don't you just trace, because you're about there with your pencil anyway.
Do that just.
Again, always make it bigger.
Okay. Chicken paint. Okay.
So maybe go just to the inside of that line, or
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do another layer of white afterward, but
Alright, we're gonna try to even out the iris there now. Paint some more. Adding some like teal to the eyeball. Get some dimension. time to carve open the main pumpkin for the outer side of the eyeball so we can put that eyeball part Cassie painted on the inside of the pumpkin. Ooh. Look at all those seeds.
Glorious seeds. Don't hurt yourself. You can pick that up if you needed to.
Ooh. Look inside there. So many good seeds. Seeds are out of the pumpkin now. So we will bake these probably tomorrow. So I'm not up for it tonight. But we always bake our pumpkin seeds, so they're so good.
So
then
post a
comes-
link in the description.
Here comes the next part where you use the little scraper tool. And then you gotta clean out all the other parts of the guts and everything inside the pumpkin.
Guts.
Guts.
Okay, you ready?
All right, the inside is all cleaned out. Now we're gonna try to fit that eyeball pumpkin inside.
Just to make sure the hole's big enough. There we go.
I'm sorry, family friendly YouTube channel.
And that's what he said.
And there we are. So it fits front to back. And then we just gotta cut out the front so we can see it.
I need about so much for measurement accuracy.
It's
At least half an inch all the way around.
okay, better start small like that. That's
Right,
good. I like
right.
that.
I definitely erred. I wanted to err on the smaller side.
Yeah. But that's perfect now to have it in there. And, yeah.
But what I think I'm gonna have to do later too is try to thin this out, scrape the heck out of that more so we can get the thing closer to the front.
Yeah.
Actually, by having a little bit of space there, if there's a candle or a light in there, it'll kind of flash.
Mm-hmm. I like it.
Ignore the dripping hanging from the top edge, but I've kind of carved this down so that
Yeah.
it's a little more gentle. Same
Yeah.
thing on the top. I'll even out the right side here.
Yeah.
But I don't want to take off. I don't want to open up any more
Yeah.
here because I can't get our eyeball too much further forward.
Yeah.
This is pretty much where he's going to lay.
That's good.
Yeah.
So if I clean up that edge, just get it on the inside, I'll just take a little bit off of there. And then we can get some of those air pillows there to hold the eyeball in place. Were you going to use a battery-powered light?
You can use light at all, or
I
I wasn't planning on a light at all, but if there
Okay.
is room, I could try to find a way.
because if you have a lid on there, it's also going to be dark. You know, you don't
That's true, but it
you
might
don't
look,
need light coming from.
but it might look cool. So we'll try it before we
Yeah.
give up.